to our representative lecturer, ROOSHIHAN. My name is Farah, SYAMIMI, BINTI, FARISAN, AZMI. My metric number is A2381932. Today, our group, which is Group 12, will be presenting a strategic and management analysis of RAHIM, which is one of the most well-known fashion retail around the world. RAHIM was founded in 1969 in San Francisco by Donald Fisher and also Doris Fisher. The company initially started with the idea of providing high quality jeans and also fashionable clothing that could appeal to a wide range of customers. Over time, Gap evolved into a global fashion retailer that offered casual wear, accessory, and also lifestyle products for men, women, and also children. Today, Gap operates in many countries around the world through both physical and also online store platform. The company has also extended its market presence by introducing several sub-brands, which is Old Navy, Banana Republic, and also Atleta. Each of these has their own different target market and play an important role in strengthening the company competitive position in the fashion industry. Gap is now widely recognized for its simple and yet modern American fashion style, strong brand identity, and also customer-focused approach. Therefore, in this presentation, we will analyze Gap overall business environment and strategic position using several strategic management tools. Without further discussion, we will begin with the company vision and mission. That's all from me. Thank you so much.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I will present the vision and mission analysis of Gets In. First, the vision of Gets In is to be the first choice of family clothing globally through quality, sustainability, and innovation. This vision shows that Gets In aim to become a leading global fashion retailer that provides quality and affordable clothing for families around the world. Besides focusing on innovation, the company also emphasizes sustainability in its business operation. Next, the mission of Gets In focuses on several important aspects. First, the company provides quality clothing for all family members, including men, women, and children. Second, Gets In expands its business globally through physical stores and e-commerce platforms. This helps the company reach more customers worldwide. Third, the company promotes sustainability and ethical business practices. Gets In is committed to environmental responsibility, fair wages, and ethical working conditions. In addition, the company also focuses on empowering employees and communities, which has strengthened its corporate image and organizational culture. Lastly, Gets In aim to achieve long-term growth and profitability in order to remain competitive in the global fashion retail industry. Besides that, vision and missions are very important because they create clear business direction and strengthen brand identity. They also support strategic decision making and help the company maintain competitive in the market. However, based on the case study, Gets In does not clearly present a formal mission statement. This may lead to weak strategy alignment and difficulty adapting to market changes in the highly competitive fashion industry. In conclusion, a strong vision and mission are important to support Gets In long-term competitiveness and sustainability and business growth. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti ZURAIDAH. I will talk about the impact of the Potters 5 forces on the family clothing retail industry, as well as the Gap Inc.'s external environment. Among the Potters 5 forces, there are two that left the impact on the family clothing retail industry. The first one is the threat of new entrants. For example, the entry barriers have been reduced by the e-commerce. There are strong cost entry barriers, and there are also enhanced customer-related entry barriers. The industry also have a global supply chain, but have complex operations currently. The second 5 forces are the intensity of rivalry. There are multiple competitors in the industry. The industry also have to compete with online retailers in price. The industry growth also has been slowed due to the changing consumer preferences and inventory risk, as well as overcapacity on the physical store. According to the analysis of the external environment, gap in opportunities are the online shopping growth, international market expand, their strong brand portfolio, sustainability and ethical practices, as well as a large and diverse products offering. Meanwhile, the threats of gap-in is the increase in online competitors, the high industry competition, rapid changes in trends, low profit margins, and dependence on global supply chain.
Next, internal environment analysis. For strength, first, diversified brands. Gap has multiple brands like Old Navy and Banana Republic that target different customer segments. This reduces dependency on one market and helps attract a wider audience. Second, global network. The company operates thousands of stores worldwide, which increase accessibility and strengthen brand awareness globally. Third, financial growth. Gap show improvement in profitability, which indicates better operational efficiency and stronger financial performance. Four, strong supply chain. Gap sources from many countries, allowing lower production costs and reducing risk of supply disruption. Five, sustainability focus. The company emphasizes sustainability and corporate responsibility, which improve brand image and customer trust. For weaknesses, first, declining core brands. Some major brands like Gap and Banana Republic are experiencing declining sales due to changing customer preferences. Second, dependency on North America. Gap rely heavily on the North American market, making it vulnerable to economic changes in the region. Third, online competition. Strong competition from online retailers like Amazon pressure Gap, especially as consumers shift to digital shopping. Four, overseas manufacturing. Dependence on foreign production exposes the company to risks such as higher costs, delays, and global disruption. Five, complex structure. The organization has a complex structure which may slow decision making and reduce efficiency. Overall, Gap's IFE score is 2.46, which is slightly below average. This means the company weaknesses outweigh its strengths. Therefore, Gap should focus on improving digital strategies, innovation, and internal management to stay competitive.
Next, I will explain the BCG metric analysis for Gap Inc. BCG metric is a strategy tool used to evaluate a company's brand based on market share and industry growth rates. Through this analysis, Gap Inc. can identify which brand should receive more investment and which brand require improvement strategies. First, Old Navy is classified as a star because it has a high market share and positive market growth. This indicates that Old Navy is the stronger brand in Gap Inc.'s portfolio. Therefore, the company should continue investing in digital marketing, e-commerce, and international expansion to maintain its competitive position. Second, the Gap brand is categorized as a cash cow. Although the market growth is lower, Gap still generates stable profit due to its strong market presence. Therefore, the company should focus on maintaining profitability, improving operational efficiency, and strengthening customer loyalty. Next, Altaleta and Etermix are classified as question marks because they have growth potential but currently hold a relatively low market share. Gap Inc. should consider selective investment and stronger promotional strategies to increase their future profitability.
Lastly, Banana Republic is categorized as a low-growth brand due to weak market performance and intense competition. Therefore, the company should reduce operation costs, restructure product lines, and culture underperforming store to improve efficiency. In conclusion, for this part, the BCG metric analysis saw each brand under Gap Inc. require different strategy approach according to its market position and growth potential.
Next, I will continue with the recommended strategy based on the BCG metric analysis for Gap Inc. First, for Old Navy, which is categorized as a star, Gap Inc. should continue investing heavily in this brand because Old Navy has strong market growth and high market share compared to other brands in the company's portfolio. Since the brand is performing very well, the company should strengthen digital marketing and e-commerce platform to attract more online customers and increase sales performance. Besides that, Gap Inc. should also expand internationally, especially in Asia and other emerging markets, because these markets have high growth potential and can help increase the company's global presence. In addition, continuous product innovation and affordable pricing strategies are important so that Old Navy can maintain its competitive advantage in the highly competitive family clothing industry. Next, for Gap brand under the cash cow category, the company should focus on maintaining stable profitability and generating consistent cash flow because the brand already has a strong market position in a slow growth market. To ensure long-term sustainability, Gap Inc. should improve operational efficiency by reducing unnecessary costs and optimizing supply chain management. Besides that, customer loyalty programs and stronger brand engagement strategy should also be implemented to retain existing customers and strengthen customer relationship. The profit generated from the Gap brand can also be used to support and develop high-growth brands such as Athleta and Intermix. Moving on to Athleta and Intermix, which are categorized as question marks. These brands have high growth potential but currently hold a relatively low market share. Therefore, Gap Inc. should apply selective investment strategies to increase market share and improve brand recognition among customers. The company should strengthen promotional activities through social media marketing, influencer collaborations, and digital advertising because these methods are more effective in attracting younger customers. In particular, Athleta can focus on the increasing demand for fitness and activewear products among health-conscious customers. At the same time, market research and continuous innovations are important to identify changing customer preference and future growth opportunities. Lastly, Banana Republic is categorized as a low-growth brand because the brand faces weak market performance and intense competition in the fashion retail industry. Therefore, Gap Inc. should reduce operating costs and improve efficiency to minimize financial losses and maintain business stability. The company may also close underperforming stores and focus only on profitable locations to improve operational performance. In addition, product restructuring and rebranding strategies can help Banana Republic adapt to changing customer preference and current fashion trends. Gap Inc. should also evaluate whether the brand still has long-term growth potential or whether retrenchment strategies are more suitable for the future. Overall, Gap Inc. has strong global potential through its diversified brands, sustainability focus, and digital growth strategy. Supported by its vision and mission, the company continues to strengthen its market position through global expansion, product innovation, and strategic brand management. However, Gap Inc. must continue adapting to changing customer trends, intense competition, and global market challenge to maintain long-term competitiveness and profitability.